Talk a little bit more about the guardrails. So how do you make agents safe and secure when you're using them in something very sensitive, which is security operations or security broadly?
Yeah, it's understanding what the limitations are, right? I mean, you'll know from using chat agents or from quite generically using these tools that, I think I asked it to generate a piece of code not long ago, and it generated a PyPy library that didn't exist, right? Very different if you're doing it in the platform security world and the application security world, right? The same tools that we've had for a long time to scan those CI/CD pipelines before code goes to production still apply today, right? There are modern versions of those where we have AI built in and other capabilities to do that in a smarter way, but that's largely optimizing the problem. Where we use it in our workflows, we talk about is that what would we not want it to do? So treat it like the intern, right? It's like, if you give the intern all of the tools, the ability to lock a user, the ability to wipe a machine, the ability to take a website down, what would you train that intern to do before they issued those tools? And it's about codifying those. So making that into your playbook, backing it up, pushing out as infrastructure as code is all part of that. And then that becomes part of your, I mean, this is somewhere where governance is limiting at the moment, but where security compliance isn't asking how are you balancing these agents uses yet. But I'm quite sure one day we might end up in a situation where if you're going to an auditor saying, I use agents, the question will quickly be followed by, and how do you govern them, and how do you make sure that they're compliant with whatever the regulation is at the time?